Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it is going to be my planner lineup for going into 2025, as well as a little notique haul because my package came, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. But this is mostly me showing my planner lineup. First, I'm just going to go through the haul really fast. But I got some stuff from Notique that I wanted to share, and I do have an affiliation link. I'll just link it in the comments down below, so check it out when you can. First, I want to share these note cards that I got from them. First off, these are nice. These are cute. I actually came across these when I ordered my first cover last year for Christmas. It was like, you know, a gift or whatever. And I came across these note cards then. Like, I guess one or two came with the order. And then I've been wanting to get some more ever since, and I did. So I just wanted to show these. I thought these are adorable. I'm probably just going to use these for like extra notes or something. I usually put them in the pockets of my planner covers anyway. I almost forgot, y'all. If y'all haven't seen any of my recent uploads, check them out. I did upload a flip through of these two planners. They are now available in Target, so Notique is with Blue Sky, and they have some planners in Target. So really exciting. I did a flip through, so check it out if you're not sure before you buy. I wanted to show these next. So these are basically just some budget sheets that I got as well. So Notique is very heavy on life management, and one of those things that they focus on is budgeting. So I will show that later in the video, but I did get a budget planner from them too. But some of these sheets come with the budget kit that I did order from them, but I wanted to show the extras first. I also got some affirmation cards from Notique. I got two different kinds. So these are affirmations for money because I'm trying to do better with saving and everything. And I thought it would be really cute to go inside my planner. And then the other kind of affirmation card is in this box. These are just regular affirmations, different kinds of morning affirmations. And I actually have one right here that I wanted to show. Isn't this beautiful? So for the morning affirmation, it says, I am a woman of gratitude. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for where I am. I am grateful for what I have. And then today, I am grateful for the woman I am becoming. So I thought these would be really great because I do care about positive energy, and I've been doing many things to try to shift my mind to be more positive as well. So I love affirmations. And then, of course, some of their orders come with these cute pins. So I thought these were really adorable, these paper clips. So just wanted to show that too. Now on to the lineup. So yeah, I got quite a lineup going on here. I have quite a bit going on. I'm just going to start from the top and work my way to the bottom. So basically smallest to biggest. First in my lineup, I have my Micro Happy Planner, and this cover is from Notique. It does fit the micro, however, it is a lot larger than the micro, so that's something to keep in mind if you are shopping for a micro cover. I will let you know that their covers are a bit pricey, however, they are high quality and worth it. I haven't had any issues so far, and I love them. And this is me saying it like as me, not even on some type of affiliate kind of stuff. I'm just being real. Like when I first laid hands on these covers, oh my God. So totally worth it, even though they're pricey. I just want to say that. But this is for my micro, and what I'm going to be using my micro for is purely decorative. I think I want to use this for my little affirmation journal, but I also want it to be really decorative. And what was her name? I feel so bad because I ain't gonna lie, when I get on Instagram, I hop right back off. But I want to say, I believe it's Tori Plans. So the inspiration is going to kind of come from her. A lot of her spreads that she posts, especially micro spreads, have some kind of affirmation to it. So I'm like, you know what? That'll be fun to make it like into an affirmation book and just do different kinds of spreads. And now I will still be decorating it. So this is the micro I decorated for October. I can't wait to show you guys November because I'm thinking about doing like a shaker cover. I don't know yet, but this is my October. And then I kind of started trying to lay it out, but not really. So like I said, purely decorative. And this is one of the paper clips I was showing earlier from Notique. And this is one of my spreads that I started doing. And I even attached a ribbon to it. Like, how cute is that? But yeah, I really need to get more into it. I did upload another video recently. Where is it at though? Where's my spread? Why is it not in here? Oh, it's so far in the book. That's why. Oh my gosh. But I did recently upload a video. So if you want to see this planner spread in action, definitely check out some of my uploads. I have been putting up stationery videos because that's what you guys love. And I'm happy that you guys love that because that's how Plannerzoid started anyway. So I will be putting more of that out. But this is going to be mostly decorative, and I'm going to try to put affirmations. If not, it'll just be cute and decorative because I want an excuse to decorate a planner. Especially this one, like y'all love when I decorate my micro. So that's what this is. Okay, so this one is from Notique. This cover, I don't know what it's made of, but it feels nice. Like, I don't know what it is. It's not leather, but it's something. And I will be using this as my budget planner. So this will be for the kit that I mentioned earlier. It came with the disc, the covers, and it comes with these sheets, except the sheets are already in the book. So this is just an extra set. The sheets in the book are pink. And I've even started trying to work on the envelope system. So that's what this is mostly catered to. You have two different options to order. You can do the larger size with 12 envelopes, or you could do this size, which is the smaller size. It comes with 6 envelopes. So I've already started trying to get into using the envelope system. And let me tell you, it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to do my best. So that's what this one is. This one is budget. And then I can show you a clear page. This is how the pages look in the book. And like I said, it's 2 different colors. You can get the white one or the pink one. I wanted the rose pink to match, you know, the book. So how cute. And then I like these envelopes too. I'm actually trying to figure out how to make this at home myself. I don't even know what they're made of. Really nice though. And then I also have some stickers that I want to use in this notebook as well. Not sure how I'm going to do it, but I do want to incorporate the budget stickers I have into this. So I need to figure it out, definitely. Next in my lineup is my Skinny Mini Happy Planner. So y'all know I already purchased a Skinny Mini a while ago. I've been trying to get a video out there showing a flip through as well as doing a spread, but for some reason that video did not want to work. Then my computer wanted to be trash. So I'm just doing my best, y'all. Okay, I've been wanting to show this, but haven't had a chance. So I'm going to go ahead and just show it now. So this is another cover from Notique. This is for the Skinny Mini. And when you open it up, there's my beautiful Skinny. And this is for 2025. However, I wanted to try to start using it beforehand. So I added a couple of blank sheets. I'm going to try to do some spreads and stuff before the new year starts. But this planner is going to be my brand and content planner. That's what I'm going to be using this one for. And the reason why I wanted to use this is because, first off, the size. I really love the size. I never owned a Skinny Mini before, so yay, really cute. And then I thought it was just the perfect amount of stuff for me to record stuff, if that makes sense. So for example, my priorities of the month, that's easy. I always have goals and stuff for my YouTube channel each month, as well as what's important. And then here, I could easily write what kind of videos I want to post or something, and write more about like the videos in my day-to-day when it comes to editing and working. So I feel like this is the perfect size and layout to do that. So this will be my brand / content planner, and I can't wait to make some stickers to add to it and do some spreads to show you guys some ideas. I've been really prepping on content ideas for how I prep my content on my YouTube channel and how I stay consistent. So stay tuned. I do want to post those kind of videos. I just want to be on it first. I just want to make sure I'm solid before I give advice. But I love this. This is nice. So just a quick flip through. Might as well incorporate it in this video. So here you have January 2025 to December. And it starts with this page, which I like. I'm just going to call it the priorities page. You can list some priorities. It got the month laid out and anything else important. And then here is a monthly overview, which is what I really like because this doesn't have a calendar. I just noticed that. It does not have like a monthly layout calendar. So you'll have to use this and this, which is perfectly fine because it's just for noting videos and what I'm doing for the day. And then you have this layout, and that's pretty much it. Like, very simple, straight to the point. You know, Happy Planner has really been using a lot of flowers for a while, and I need to do a video on that because I feel like craft stores are not what they used to be. Happy Planner is not what it used to be, but occasionally I still like to buy stuff from them because I like the brand. I just don't buy it often. So that's gonna be for this, and I will decorate this and do a setup and make a video. So I can't wait to show you guys. Lastly is gonna be my catch-all planner, which is just this mini happy planner, and you guys have already seen this cover. So now you know where I got it from. And this one I actually just did a setup video not too long ago. So I will link it at the end, but check it out. I set up my pockets and everything. Really adorable, such an aesthetic, such a mood. This is for October, and then I'm gonna do something different for November. And y'all, I just love seeing the stuff I create come to life. Like, I created a lot of this stuff over here that's in this pocket, and it looks so good. Like, it looks so professional. It's so cool that I can make my own stationery now. Am I perfect and the best at it? No. But good enough to get me some stuff to make spreads and pull something together. So this is nice. I love it. But anyways, this mini happy planner is the Simply layout. And personally, I'm still trying to figure this one out. I know it's going to be my daily catch-all planner, but I'm trying to see, do I want to add other stuff in there? Because at one point, the budget part was in there, the content part was in there, but then I wanted to separate it and put it in other planners. So for now, like I said, I'm just going to be putting my to-dos, and I can show you what I've been working with here. So I need to finish my calendar. I haven't finished it, but here's what I got going on. So I mostly do spreads, and I have not been writing in my spreads, but I need to. But yeah. And then the layout is called the Simply layout, which I do have a video on my channel doing a flip through of this planner. And then of course in the back right here, it's just my positivity pad that I created that I'm still working on putting together. But yeah, I did a lot with this planner cover when it comes to the setup, and I enjoy it. It's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of my planner lineup. What do you guys think? What is y'all lineup looking like? I want to know. I really love everything that, you know, I have acquired and gotten together for this lineup, because it's taken me the longest to figure out how I wanted to, you know, use all my planners and allocate information what where. But I think I found it. I think I figured it out. So like I said, this is mostly decorative. Yay. Financial, budget, content, branding, and just my regular catch-all planner. So yeah. Looks good. I love it. I can't wait to use it, and I can't wait to show you guys some inspiration with spreads in each of these planners. I'm so excited. And I cannot wait to incorporate more affirmations into my channel because I do care about positivity. So I will be doing that with my stationery. So I just cannot wait. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you check out my playlists and videos, and check out my comments. I'll link my link down below. Bye, Zoidies.